In this video, I'll show you how to remove front cup holder on Volkswagen Polo 9N in 4 simple steps. So, first, don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. So this is the cup holder. So if you can see, there is broken. So first you have to open the cup holder and remove the T20 Torx screw from inside. So we will remove all the parts from the broken cup holder. So if you can see, there's a T20 Torx screw inside the cup holder. So we will use an extension for the ratchet. You can find 12-piece magnetic Torx screwdriver set in the video description below. After you remove the T20 Torx from inside, you just have to remove the CD player using 4 special keys. So you can find professional automotive CD player radio removal keys toolkit in the video description below. The one that we use in the video. So we will take the keys for Volkswagen cars to remove the radio. So we will insert the keys inside those 4 holes. Then we will pull out the CD player to remove it. Then we will disconnect the antenna and the electrical connector from the back. We just have to press on that little tab from the back. There it is. Then we will remove the electrical connector. We will press on that tab and then remove the electrical connector from the radio CD. So you just have to press on that tab and then lift that part. So there are 3 tabs you need to push in where the red arrows are pointing. There are one on the left, one on the right, and one on the lower side of the cup holder. First we will try to remove it only pushing that tab from the left side. Maybe we will remove it. If you cannot pull the cup holder out, you just have to press on those 2 tabs from the left and from the lower side in the same time. So you have to remove that climatronic panel to push on that tab from the lower side. So we will press on that tab from the left side and pull the cup holder out. So there is the tab from the left. So then there is the tab on the right side, and there is another one on the lower side. If you can see that one. So if you want to press on that one, you have to remove the climatronic panel or the AC panel. You can find a new cup holder for Volkswagen Polo 9N in the video description below. So to install the new cup holder, you just have to do the same steps but in reverse order. First, you have to start with installing the cup holder, then open the cup holder and put the T20 screw inside. Then you have to install the radio CD. So if you have any suggestions about new tutorials, let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.